What are problems? Why is everything a mystery? Why do people have sufferings? What did they do? What did I do? Where is my life going? I need to know the truth, the real truth.
Do you really quest for that? Do you have that zest?
Yes. Yes, I believe in science. Science gives answers.
Really? To everything?
What about spirituality? Another puzzle?
You need to realize that the only mystery and the only answer is you. Awake. Be self-realized.